smoothing out the clouds. Please stay tuned for progress, painting tips, and my painting styles on Tinaja at Red Rock. This is the painting, okay? And this is the photograph that has inspired that painting. Thank you so much. Using a small fan brush and a wash technique to define the falling rain. Enhancing the red rocks. Shaping the mountains. Hello, welcome to Kudea Art. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoy the video. Adding highlights to this bush. If you would like to follow the progress on this painting, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell too. Adding some reflection between the branches. Enhancing the foliage around the reflection. Defining shadows between the land and the puddle. Colors used this session: burnt sienna and raw umber, light gray blue, silver, and gray, orange red, and lemon yellow, phthalo blue and lavender, white and black. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. It's all free and it really helps my channel on the YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much. Progress as of recording 07/01/26. Just a little more to come. Please visit my shop, Kudea Art, on Etsy.com. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. It's very much appreciated. You have a wonderful day. Paintings I featured and finished on this channel.